Welcome to the Griffin Real Estate Market Update. I'm Danny Griffin. If you're thinking about buying or selling residential property right now or in the near future, it's very important to stay up with the local market trends. Now, according to MLS PIN, the marketplace for Boston residential properties, here's what happened in the second quarter of 23 versus the second quarter of 22. The number of sold listings decreased by 36% to 432 properties, with a top sale of $14 million located at 240 Devonshire Street. The average sales price decreased 2% to $1.6 million, and the average price per square foot increased by 1% to $176,000 per square foot. The inventory of properties available for sale, as measured in months supply, increased by a whopping 33% to 4.97 months worth of properties for sale. The average 30-year fixed mortgage rate increased 17% year over year, quarter over quarter, with an average rate of 6.84% according to bankrate.com. Now, the most important part of this update is to pay attention to that inventory level, now nearing 5 months worth of supply. To put that in perspective, a normalized marketplace by a general benchmark would say that at 6 months, you have a neutral market, whereas 6 months or over, you definitely have a lot of buying opportunities, and under, it still somewhat favors the seller. Now, what we believe is that a well-prepared seller can do well in any market, and a good hunter buyer can find a great deal no matter what's happening. So we believe that it's more hyper-local. However, generally, when you see the downtown Boston market swell in inventory, it has most definitely slowed off of its more recent historical levels of even under 2 months, and sometimes pretty close to 1 month worth of supply. So if you're thinking about buying in downtown Boston particularly, now's a great time. Having said that, be careful going a little bit into some of the hot areas like Charlestown, Massachusetts, because there's only 1 month worth of supply. And if you think you're going to be able to drift out to Brookline and get more supply, it's only 1.5 months worth of supply there. So really the phenomenon for buying right now in a good spot and having inventory, it's downtown Boston proper. If you're thinking about buying or selling, of course, you really need to seek the local guidance of a local realtor professional. And of course, we'll be back next month with the Griffin Real Estate Market Update to help you stay abreast of what's happening in this crazy topsy-turvy market. Thanks for tuning in.